How would you sum up this year, 2025?
It's a mix of everything, but moreover anything, I'm very much grateful with all the learnings that I was able to acquire. And it was quite challenging because ang daming bago na hindi ko in-expect na mararamdaman, may experience of course, but mostly good. I think that's what matters. And given the opportunity now, of course, with this project that we have, which is Big Tiger, na nagkaroon ng opportunity naman na magkaroon ng partnership with an international team, but I'd like to believe that this is the start. No, sana tuloy-tuloy and kahit paano penetrate tayo sa international scene.
So more on producing ka na ba talaga? Or
Depende sa opportunity kasi. I play it by ear. Hindi ako nagsiset naman na parang this year hindi ako gagawa ng project na hindi pag-arte, or this year puro directing lang ako, this year puro producer. Kung whatever opportunity comes in, ginagrab lang namin yun as a team. And then so far kasi ang galing lang na parang kahit bago pa lang kami, kahit 3 years pa lang din yung Myriad Entertainment, the confidence that our partners give us is really outstanding. And nakakatuwa na kahit bago lang tayo, they give us certain platforms and projects that we can work on. And of course, yung iba dadalhin dito, and then yung iba we do it abroad.
Question.
Alvin, are you more scared or are you excited?
It's a mix of everything.
No, because it's like 9 to 10 films that they're planning to do.
Yes,
And
yes.
You're a big part of that because of Myriad.
Wow.
Does that scare you a bit?
It challenges me actually po. Kasi parang ang dami nating naririnig syempre, sabi na of course we have to help the industry, we have to give back, kailangan kasi may kaakibat siya na roadmap and plano. And I think with that vision and that purpose in mind, yung reinforcement coming from the international partners that we have and that we were gonna be able to have pa in the future, of course. Lux is just the beginning, Burns & Sawyer is just the beginning. And with this, we'd like to really highlight the Philippines para maging mapunta tayo dun sa goal for it to be a filming hub of Asia. Kasi dito natuwa sila with our crew, with our staff, with our locations, and of course with how we treat the craft professionally. So sana magtuloy-tuloy. And I guess pag nagtuloy-tuloy siya and it becomes very constant and evident within the ecosystem ng show business, may chance talagang mayangat pa natin ang quality ng mga projects na ginagawa dito sa Pilipinas.
May nakita